What's up, my Pongos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys this content here. This is the commuter case. This is by far my favorite, low end of the high-end protection cases from Otterbox. This is the 3X military drop grade protection, and it's just really sleek. They have a bunch of different colors here, and it's made out of two different materials here to be able to provide you that protection. One is more of like a silicone polycarbonate, and the other one is a TPU material that's a hardened plastic. With that said here, this is not a sponsored video. They did not send this to me for free. I did purchase this on their website, so you know where my bias is, but I will have a link down below in the description for all the products that we go over and accessories here as well. With that said, let's go and show you how to lift up your lifestyle. This is an awesome case. Last year for the 14 Pro Max, I opted into the green. This year I wanted to opt into the blue. I really like this because A, it provides you that drop protection, but it's also sleek and it allows you for dirt and water resistance, which is nice. As you can see here, it does have this lining of silicone, but what's cool is it does have Magsafe that goes through, which previous years it didn't necessarily have that. What's nice here is it's got a ergonomic construction here, clicky buttons, and it's tooled here to be able to be more or less flat when it lays on its back. You have a nice little slot here for the I/O, which is going to be great, and for the most part it's made out of material here that's going to provide protection and sleek handling of your phone. Coming up closer, you got these little pockets here in the corner that you can see that provide you that extra protection, which is nice. That's supposed to insulate here air and provide you a buffer. Placing it in here for the first time, what's nice is you don't really need to take anything apart. It's built the way that it is, so you can just go ahead and slip it right in. It's going to grab against the bezels here, and it's going to provide you that protection here. It does take a little bit of pushing and nudging to be able to get it into all the grooves, but what's nice here is it's very straightforward, whereas the Defender Pro did require you to disassemble it and then assemble it together. Coming up close here, it doesn't provide you as much of a grip around the edge, so it's probably a 1/16 of an inch as opposed to the 1/8 of an inch, so it's nice. It's still ergonomic here, but not as thick around the edge, which is cool. As you can see here, you've got the silicone here that's on the corners, but then around the top you've got that polycarbonate hardened plastic. Around the edge here as well is kind of where it fits in, and then around the bottom side as well. Buttons are nice and clicky. Active button is cool. Volume rockers, not bad. This time it doesn't actually have a tassel, whereas the other Defender XL did. And all around, it's just a really sleek case in the hand. I really like that. Coming up close, you can see that the camera is protected. On its backside, it slides up against the phone case. So we're going to show you some of the accessories that you can associate with this. You've got the transmitter and receiver that you can plug in, and it just clips to your lavalier, which is really nice. And you've got the seamless wireless lavalier mic, which enhances your content creation. If you wanted to have something as like a travel buddy here, you can go and snap on the Magsafe battery bank from Apple. This is supposed to charge up to 7.5 watts, which is great. I like that. That's sleek. It's not very big though. It's not going to give you a full charge. If you wanted something a little more robust, you can go and throw on this 10,000 milliamp battery. This is like a desk buddy with other additional I/O. If you wanted to charge other devices, it can support up to 2 or 3 of them. This just kind of sits here. You can have it sit as a desk buddy, which is nice. I like that touch. Otherwise, you can do a content creation, kind of add all of it together here. This is a shutter button here, as well as a charging bank. So it's 5,000 milliamps. It's going to charge here on the Magsafe while you're making content. You can set it up as a tripod, get those talk to camera shots. You can even connect still with that microphone if you wanted, and still be able to use a shutter button, which is really nice. I like that. With that said, my Pongos, I think this is my go-to for the lower end. It's pretty affordable compared to the other Defender cases. The commuter is nice to be able to have. It's sleek. You can have it on your desk. People will turn. It can match your lifestyle here, and it'll provide you that 3X military drop grade protection. Andy with Tech Influence. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.